Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting strategy. And this is a strategy that needs to be used by individuals that are thinking of getting into the dropshipping business right now. And what we have done is that we have understood exactly what people need to do in order to run a successful dropshipping business, especially when they're starting off small. So if you're an individual that's just starting off right now, then this is the strategy that you need to have. And obviously, one of the basic elements that you need to keep in mind is understanding what people have done wrong, learn from those mistakes, that implement the things that they've done right. And obviously, by combining all those methodologies together in one place, you would be able to run a successful business online. And obviously, if you want to start your journey as a dropshipper, then Shopify.com is the place to do it, because you can dream it and you can sell it on Shopify. And you can find the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And one of the major things which I personally feel is crucial for us to understand is the fact that with Shopify, you can bring your vision to life and use the easy to use store creator, and there's no coding expertise that is required. You can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. And the best thing is the fact that you can even add features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions that are trusted by Shopify partners. You can connect with customers everywhere. Everything that you need to succeed is going to be given to you. And obviously, the support, the assistance, and the guidance that Shopify tends to give you is crucial in developing a successful dropshipping business. And obviously, from managing inventories, tracking payments, and viewing real-time business insights, everything from a single dashboard, all the tools that are needed are given to you, so you can actually focus on building your business, which is crucial, because once you're able to do that, then you'll be able to scale your business. And once you're able to scale your business, you'll be able to become financially independent, and you can break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and have the financial freedom that you always needed and wanted. And obviously, when you combine all those elements together, you'll see the reason why Shopify is empowering entrepreneurs everywhere across the globe. There are millions of merchants right now that are using Shopify to become financially independent. It's available in 175 countries, and it has supported 5 million jobs with $444 billion of economical activity that's been done, that will give you a chance to understand how huge this cake is. And even if you get one slice of the cake, that's going to be enough for you for the rest of your lives. And that is the reason why I personally always recommend individuals to think about Shopify as a platform that can give you so much more, that can give you a chance to regain that ability of being financially independent and not relying on others and a 9-to-5 jobs to provide you an income. We live in this world right now where we need to understand that having one source of income is not the method and not the way to go. You need to have multiple passive incomes. As more passive incomes you generate, the more financially independent that you're going to become. And obviously, all you need to do is click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Or you can always click on start free trial and head over and start setting up your account on Shopify. It's very simple, guys. The first question that they tend to ask you is what best describes you. Are you just starting off or already selling in person or online? I'm going to go with I'm just starting off to give you the right feel of what needs to be done over here. Where would you like to sell? There's different places that you can sell, guys, but obviously our focus is an online store. It could be an existing website or a blog or social media or online marketplaces or even in person. We're going to go with the online store to create a fully customizable website. And after that is done, they ask you a particular questions. What do you plan to sell? Do you want to sell products? You want to do drop shipping? You want to do digital products or services? We're going to go with drop shipping because this is the easiest way to start becoming financially independent. Now comes the most important question, guys, that what would you like to name your store? And I want you guys to take a second over here and think about exactly what you're going to sell and what your store name is going to be. And this is a mistake which a lot of young entrepreneurs tend to do, is that they select a name that does not reflect quality. And I want you to make sure that when you do your research, when you get into this business, you understand the perspective perspective of your consumer. And obviously from that, you can understand the psychological impact that name is gonna have. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to focus on exactly the right name. So we're gonna just select the name right now, just for an example for this video, to give you guys a complete breakdown of it. But I want you to spend more time in understanding this perspective and select the name. If you need help, you can always comment in the comment section below, and we're going to be able to help you guys out as much as we can. Now, once you finish it, the last step is very crucial. They will create a Shopify ID based on your email, based on your Apple ID, based on your Facebook ID, or your Google ID. I always go with the Google ID because the Google ID really gives me the ability to do everything quite quickly, so there's not a lot of information that needs to be put in. And once you select that, it will build your store for you. Now, once your store is being built, I want you to now think about what kind of product you're going to be selling on your store. Now, this is very important, guys, because a lot of time people will select something that they want. It's not about what you want to buy, it's about what people want to buy. And obviously, you need to understand what people want to buy. And based on that consumer psychology, you need to understand exactly what kind of product to get and where to get it from. And that is what I'm going to show you right now. And then I'm going to show you exactly how easily you can do that as well. For example, this is what our dashboard is going to look like right now. On the left hand side, you're going to have your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, and online store. Then you have all these other elements over here. We're going to look at the app in a second, but before we do that, I want to talk about a product. So let's think about what we want to buy. The first thing that you have to keep in mind is the fact that the product needs to be evergreen. What does that mean? That literally means that the product is something that everyone would want to buy throughout the year. It's not seasonal, it's not Christmas based, it's not summer based, it's not winter based, it's not based on birthdays or novelties and things like anniversary gifts and stuff. It needs to be something that people want to have, people want to buy, people will require to get, and it is available throughout the year. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to ebay.com. Now, if you don't have an account on eBay, I would suggest for you to make it because the research on eBay is absolutely brilliant. And once you head over to the Sellers Hub, I want you to go to research. And as we go to research, this is going to give us a complete breakdown of what people are buying and what people are interested in. So we're going to go with the phone case because I personally feel phone cases are those elements that people would really get. In the last 30 days, we're going to get information about how much interest people intend to have. So the average selling price was $10.80. The average shipping was $4.65. A total solds were 125,000. There's 6,000 sellers, and they've made a sale of $1.3 million in the last 30 days. So this is the graph. So as you can clearly see, someone is buying it and someone is getting this product, and there's multiple people. This individual just off this product has made $25,000. This individual has made $8,000. This is not in a year. This is literally in 30 days. So 25,000 in 30 days literally means this individual is making $1,000 per day off this particular product, and so could you guys. And if you scroll down, you'll see that people are continuously making money off this one product. So this is definitely a product that we should focus on, and this is a product that we should get. So where should we get it from? You can see the price over it. It's $8, $9, $9, $10, $11, an average of $10. So now what we're going to do is going to head over to AliExpress over here. Now this is AliExpress, and I love AliExpress.com because you can get bargain really cheap products. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to search for phone cases and see how much the phone cases are for. Now obviously we want to decrease our costs and increase our profit margin. Now this product is being sold for $1 and they've sold 11,833. Now this is another product and they've sold 48,665, guys. That literally means they made a $50,000 profit off just one product, which we can visibly see that this is being sold for $9, $10 over here. So we can sell it for $4.99 beginning at $1. We can even sell it for $9.99 and make at least $100,000 off just one product, or even more, guys. That is literally the beauty of it. Now what do? Do we just copy and paste this information and start selling it on Shopify? No, guys. What you need to do is quite simple. Just go to the apps over here, and once you go to the apps, you're gonna see this app over here, which is the D-Sellers AliExpress Dropshipping. All you need to do is download this app, and this will literally take all the information on AliExpress and put it onto your Shopify store. It is as simple, as easy as that, guys. We've already made a video and explained you how to install it, so if you haven't checked it out, go ahead to the channel and check that out. And obviously, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and assist assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.